We just want to share some. Let's do this one first. Can I get a piece of paper, please? Just apply some one thin coat of the matte top coat. Pop in the lamp for about 60 seconds. Which one would you like me to do it today? Is the honesty, so it have a dark brown colors. Also obsidians have a smoky and a black colors. All you want to see is welcome hugs, which is like more orange colors for a springtime. Or you want to see the delights, which is a yellow one. You can do this one, every single of them by itself, or you can combine with like hot pink, green, blue. They're all really pigmented, so it's really simple and easy for all of you to do, especially for beginners, or if any of you that being the nail takes the veterans for long times and start introduce with the fusioning and still have a little bit troubleshootings with that, I would love to share with you. Obsidian. Hey Sarah, how are you? Obsidian, yes, obsidian, orange and yellow. Are you going to be released the 20K giveaway winner? We will announce the giveaway winners in the end of the videos, a live video. All right, so let's do obsidian. Hey, how are you, sweetie Sarah? So nice to have Sarah come in. She's such a really passionate, talented nails technicians, also part of Glitz team. So we're so happy to have her, and then Vicky and me will host a class in Ann Arbor, Michigan coming in March. So if you are really passionate and you love what you're doing and you would love to help more people to be successful, so then you can be even more successful, check out our class in Ann Arbor next month. It's a great things coming in the class as well. So the more information also in the websites under the class. So don't forget to check it out. If you have questions, always feel free to let us know, or DM us, or call us, or email us. So let's play with obsidian and see how it's gonna treating us. Oh, it looks good. I would do let it more. Let it set for a little bit, and I'm gonna add it more on it. I'm so excited with this obsidian. It looks like messy, but it's gonna come out really nice. Can I get one of the brush? The twin tip brush? No, the one. Open it for at least. Okay. Pull it out, open it. It's easy to wipe it off. It's great. So if I want to add more to make it pigment, like obviously, then I can, and wait for just a couple minutes when you're doing it. Like if you would do 2 nails at the same time, I am going to using a crystal clear. Yes, thank you so much, doll. I use a matte top coat first. If you just tuning in, welcome. We did matte top coat. We clear for 60 seconds. The best way to do with the matte top coat, because if you put the no wipe top coat, is not your marbling, fusionings, pigment will not pick it well. So this is awesome about crystal clear. I love it how it get the right ratios for the solution, so then you will not have really rare chance to get it so bleeding or issue or troubleshooting with the fusioning, which is the marble look. So I would say less is more if it makes more sense for all of you. Because sometimes if we added too much of solution, it might like completely bleed or wash off your color, because basically it's still in the alcohol ink. So I have a piece of paper here, so then I can show it to you, so then you know that I'm using the piece of paper to clean it up my brush. Most likely, if you're using other brush, you can, but basically this one you don't have to worry about getting another brush. I'm using the brush right off from my bottles right here, but every time I would wipe it up, so then I would not have a chance of contaminating from my brush back to my bottle. So every time you want to guide your veins, it's the beautiful things about the marble is when you're able to create the veins nicely, and you can do design however you want. You can do your vein to be crisscross, or you can do your veins like as like on diagonals, or you can do your veins from like all the ways from the cuticle down to the free edges, just however you would like to create your marble look. This I sharing here it with the beginner, so then you can have really a good idea of doing the marble. We did quite a lot of different ones. Every time I'm trying to do one colors, so then we won't be too much. We can do orange and yellows in a little bit with the base of purple, pink. Is it pink or purple? I have it out here, so we can do that. Wipe that off. And do not rush with this and get too much of your solution as you're gonna wipe off or clean off the rest of them. Hope everyone have a great Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. It sounds like it's really like Monday to me. I don't know. Wait a minute, Nancy. We want to be like Wednesday and Friday or Saturday. I guess just because I'm enjoying it, even though I'm always busy, but I just so enjoying it, so I didn't like, sometimes I lost track of the time with the time, so it was like, wait. So here's a tip and trick. These colors, especially obsidians and pearly white, is really, really a picky colors to work with, so you don't want to rush that you gonna make your color bleeding off completely. Hello Instagram and hi Facebook. Thank you so much for tuning in. So it really depends. None of the marble nails, none of them are the same. So it's really depends on how you want your veins look. I just want a little bit vein right here. There you go. Just keep a little bit damp. If you're happy with this, you can do some veins with transfer foil, or you can do some veins with gel painting. Which one you want to see? Looks cute. If you want modify, just use the tip of the brush and then dab it with really little layer of solution of crystal clear. Don't use too much. Sometimes if you're using your alcohol, it might wash off because it's so evaporated fast. So that's why I love that crystal clear. If you have some of your solution of your marbling already. You even like one item you need to get is check out that crystal clear. This is freaking awesome. Hello, how are you? Kunu Chase. Hello, how are you? Great. I think I really freaking like it, you know, like so obsessed with this. But if you want more DeFi, you can. But less is more. I will not mess up with that unless you want to add more. You can see that is I wipe it off. So then that way this will not get into my, look freaking, thank you. Thank you, Laurie. Let's see, what should we do? We do, the comments on? Oh, is the comments on? If you want, who is that asking? Jig, if you want to like a slide, I think, can you slide it on? No? Or the comment is just, the comment is getting away, huh? No. I mean the comment, if any way that you can slide it off.
Yeah. Here, there you go. It'll be more up top. So comment a little bit on the way.
Okay, great. Let me do, no, okay. Good. Okay, can you see it now? Perfect. So I am going to, using maybe gel painting. I did so many times with the transfer foil, so let's do some gel painting. I will do, either, it's up to you if you want to do like more of black. You can do more of black as veins, or you can do more golds for veins. So which one you want to see? You want to see it like is jet black painting, or you want to see some hint of gold? I would like to see some hints of gold because then it will make it look fun on a marbling. So I using right now, which is the Golden Touch. I like the name. My twin tip brush. So thinner band is your light brush, and thicker band right here is your gel brush. So it's so excited because then we'll never have to worry about like which way should you open. So I am gonna do, sorry. I'm gonna do it in like just a little bit. It's really like, it's up to you that however you want it. You don't have to cover all completely. And then if you like it, you can just like pop in the lamp for about 60 seconds. Okay. Great. 60 seconds.